Hello everyone, welcome to the Python tutorial video, and today we're going to solve a new dictionary problem. And we have been told that we are going to take a number from the user and we have to create a dictionary starting from 1 to the number as keys and its cube as values. Let's see the example to understand more. Let's say we have taken input 5. That means we have to take 5 inputs as keys. The key will be 1 2 3 4 5, and its value will be thrice of it. That is, for 1 it's 1, for 2 it's 8, for 3 it's 7, for 4 it's 64, and for 5 it's 125. Now the question can vary from different ways. It can ask its square, its quadrant, its 5 times, like anything. It can vary depending on, it can vary from anywhere, but the concept is same for all the questions. So let's see how we can do it. Let me just write the code first and then I'll describe it. Okay, so my code is complete, so let me just describe what we have done here. We have taken a empty blank dictionary here, first dictionary 1. Now we are taking the input from the user, that is the number. Now for I in range 1 comma n plus 1, so we have taken 1 and n plus 1. Why? We are going to take the first element as 1. If we have taken 0, k equal to 0, which is not correct because our initial starting will be from 1. That's why we have taken 1 here, and since we are going to take 5 inputs, we have taken n plus 1. That is, the range will go up to 6, but the 6 will not be included, so 5 inputs will be taken. So k equal to 1, that is the keys. Now here, if I give I into 2, that means I to the power this number. That is how many times I'm going to make it, like it's square or cube. Like since I'm going to square it, it is 1 2 to the power 4, 3 to the power 9, 4 to the power 16, 5 to the power 25. So I multiply 2 or multiply n, thus means that I to the power something. So if any number you have been asked, square, cube, quadrant, anything, you can just put the number here and you can get the you can get its equivalent values. Hope you guys understand. It is a very easy and short code. If you still have any kind of problem, do comment down below. If you like the video, do like and subscribe. Thank you.